Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. It's January 5th, about 4 p.m. And the sun disappeared. Clouds rolled in. I was hoping there'd be enough sun to dry this out a little bit. But as you can see, this mud it's a lot of moisture in it. And it doesn't look like it's dried up any. Well, this is that time of year. Well, normally you don't have this much moisture all at one time, so that makes a big difference. If we had a good freeze, it wouldn't be an issue either. Yeah, it's gonna be a long winter. I can't wait for spring.